Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about some fun winter wear. So I recently did this shorts where I showed like one of my Pinterest worthy found from Savannah. So this haul is just about that. All the winter wear I picked up from Savannah, and it has some accessories as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have this huge box today. Let me show you the first item I got, which is actually this super cute sweater that I'm wearing. Guys, it is such a good quality sweater and it's so warm. It is actually super cozy and it has this like gold button detailing going on. I recently wore this on our date night, so you can see the pictures here, how it looked and everything. I absolutely love it and totally worth the price because बहुत ही ठंडी में रात में मैं आउटडोर में बैठी थी and I was like super warm with it. So yeah, if you're spending money on this, you gonna get like a good piece and it is like it's better कि तुम pictures में देख लो like वो clear हो जाएगा, but it has like pockets here with again button detailing. It's super classy and super cute. Next thing that I picked is actually not completely winter appropriate, but I picked up these scots and आप देख सकते हो last pictures में भी कि मैंने यही scots को pair किया है with this sweater and I was wearing like a fleece tights with it, so I was like super warm. This is like my uniform. ठीक है, मुझे shorts और वो warm वाली जो tights होती है वो पहना दो and I'm like good to go because I think this is like the cutest combination. Like you're wearing boots, shorts, and like a cute sweater or like a sweatshirt. So yeah, this is the another piece that I got. It's super comfortable. The size that I've ordered is like 26. अभी ये धुलने की हालत में है. Like इसको मैं बहुत पहन चुकी हूँ. इसको मैं अब तक 5-6 बार पहन चुकी हूँ and I have to wash it, but I thought I'll show you first in the video. You can see like it's dirty from here, but yeah, you can see on the screen how it looks. I have worn it with like a lot of pieces, so you can see it in like try on, and again absolutely worth the price and highly recommended because this is like a good basic piece that you can style it in so many ways. Next piece that I want to talk about, in case आपने वो shorts नहीं देखा है, this is the piece that I talked about in the shorts. It's like the showstopper and it is the most expensive piece in this video, but अभी के लिए discount पे है and तुम और discount grab कर सकते हो मेरा code use करके. So this is my code on the screen. Use that for like 20% off. So yeah, and it has like huge pockets, you guys. इतना अच्छा इस पे fur है ना all over. It is gonna keep you like super warm, and it has like this really grungy belt detailing as well, like this one, in case you want to like shut its neck completely, and it's the same detailing here as well. I think that it looks amazing and it does look super expensive as well. Like it's like faux leather and faux fur, so it is giving like a really expensive look and I love it. And मैंने अब तक नहीं खोल के देखा है. Guys, this is also so cute and super classy. Look at the buttons, like it has like pearl detailing going on with this little fur and like some bling is there. This is how it looks. You can see the picture of the model as well. उसको थोड़ा oversized fit हुआ हुआ है ये, and I think ये free size था. Yeah, it is like one size. So if you're wearing like a mini skirt and then उस पे तुमने ये पहना हुआ है, so it's gonna look super cute and I can't wait to wear this, like even with this hairband and with like nice boots and like a new good pearl accessory. It's gonna look amazing and super classy. That's what I think. And it has like dull gold woolen work going on all over it. मतलब ये जो wool use हुआ है वो सिर्फ off white नहीं है. It has like a hint of gold and I think it's such a cute sweater for like my Christmas look also. What do you think? I absolutely love it. Next is actually a loungewear set which I thought will be nice for winters, and it's like again in basic colors, black and white. This is actually the pajama that we have. This is how it looks. It has like really simple white borders. मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. मैं इसको एयरपोर्ट पे भी बहुत easily style कर सकती हूँ. Like it's a very casual, very basic, cord set. But I personally got it for like my lounge wear, and I'm just gonna go on a trip as well. So I think it's gonna like be like a cute night suit that I can wear over breakfast, which I will have to get up early for, but you know that this is cute. Next piece that we have is this one. So this is the last piece of the clothing that I have. Then we'll move on to the accessories. Guys, this is so cute. I know तुमने बोला है कि इस लड़की को सब cute लग रहा है, but actually लग रहा है. Look at this. This is like in brown color and it has fur on its collar and like sleeves. How cute this is. This is like straight out of Pinterest. This is like quite fitted in like fit wise. तुम देख सकते हो screen पे भी. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so over the top and that is my style, you know. I like to be overdressed in like all the situations. Two items are accessories. This is the first one. I got this for like to wear it with my watch. This is like serpent handcuff, and this snake has like green eyes, so that's a nice touch. This is very cute, very simple, I think, and it looks very classy as well. You can see it. I'm gonna post a clear picture with like how it looks with my watch, with my silver watch. Again, absolutely love it. And this is like adjustable, so तुम इसको tight भी कर सकते हो. And ये gold में भी available है, जो कि मैंने बाद में देखा था. Otherwise, I would have preferred gold, but I think I'm gonna get the gold one as well. Next is a phone cover actually. Ta-da! Guys, goes perfectly with this outfit and my accessories. So this is for my phone, of course. And काफ़ी सारे models like iPhone के iPhone में ही है ये available, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है. But I'm gonna attach all the links below, तो तुम देख लेना. This is too much, I know, but weddings are and it's gonna look pretty cute with all the outfits. And when you're traveling, you can wear it as a sling bag as well, until and unless you're not traveling to a safe place so anyone can grab your phone. So yeah, this is it. This is the risk you have to take for like a cute cover, but I absolutely love it. Perfectly with my outfit. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. So these were all my winter picks from Savannah. They were kind enough to collaborate with me for this video, so I'm really happy about that. I really hope that we can collaborate soon. So let me know in the comments what do you want me to try next from Savannah, so I'll talk to them. This is what my audience wants, you know. So, but yeah, make sure that you check out all the shopping links. And जाने से पहले make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.